Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss Banking Ombudsman scheme of Reserve Bank of India. So Banking Ombudsman, it is a scheme of Reserve Bank of India, and Reserve Bank of India formulated this scheme under section 35A Banking Regulation Act. So a scheme of RBI under section 35A Banking Regulation Act. Now this scheme covers all banks on all India basis. So all banks, whether private or public sector banks or foreign banks or RRB or cooperative banks, so all banks are covered, that too on all India basis. What is the objective of this scheme? Objective is to settle customer complaints, customer grievances with mutual agreement of bank and customer. So Ombudsman makes an effort to settle customer complaint with mutual agreement of bank and the customer. Now who appoints Ombudsman? So Ombudsman is appointed by RBI for 3 years, and it can be RBI's general manager or chief general manager. So appointed by RBI for 3 years, and it is RBI's GM or CGM. What type of role is played by Ombudsman? Now, since he makes effort to settle customer complaints with mutual consent of bank and customer, so his role is like an arbitrator. So role of Ombudsman is like an arbitrator. So he functions like an arbitrator, a person who settles the complaint between two persons with mutual agreement. Now, what is the procedure to lodge complaint? So complaint will be made first to the bank by the customer. So it cannot be directly made to Ombudsman. First it has to be made to the bank. If customer does not get any reply from the bank for 1 month, or customer is not satisfied with the reply received from the bank, in these cases, or complaint is rejected by the bank, so customer would make complaint to the bank. If customer does not get any reply from the bank for 1 month, or customer is not satisfied with the reply, or complaint is rejected, then within period of 1 year from any of these dates, customer can make complaint to Ombudsman. So complaint can be made to Ombudsman within 1 year from these 3 instances. Now this complaint can be made on paper or it can be made electronically. So it can be a paper complaint or electronic complaint. If complaint relates to a credit card, then it will be made to the Ombudsman under whose jurisdiction the billing address of the customer falls. So in case of credit card complaints, the complaint will be made to Ombudsman according to billing address of the customer. Now there are certain type of complaints which will not be entertained by Ombudsman. So what are those complaints? So complaints not entertained by Ombudsman. One is matter already settled by Ombudsman. Second, matter settled by court or pending in a court.